The Instant Pot Omni Plus Toaster Oven Air Fryer delivers powerful 10-in-1 functionality. I have provided the link to this toaster oven in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This versatile oven is designed to elevate your kitchen experience while saving space, time, and energy. Whether you're preparing a full dinner or just toasting a few slices of bread, it handles it all with precision and speed. With its EvenCrisp technology, the Omni Plus circulates hot air from top to bottom, giving your food a golden, crispy exterior while keeping the inside juicy and tender. The fast preheat function lets you cook straight from frozen to delicious in just minutes, making it a reliable companion for quick weeknight meals or impromptu get-togethers. It reaches temperatures from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing gourmet-level versatility right on your counter. This oven boasts a spacious 18-liter capacity, large enough to fit a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or even a whole chicken. The included rotisserie feature is ideal for self-basting meats and tumble frying, delivering perfectly browned, juicy results every time. The top heating element combined with a powerful fan ensures even heat distribution for consistently well-cooked meals. Its double-layer glass door helps maintain optimal internal temperatures while giving you a clear view of your food as it cooks. Constructed with a sleek black finish, this oven is not just high-performing but also a visually appealing addition to any kitchen setup. It's built for convenience, whether you're warming leftovers or preparing a multi-course dinner. The easy-to-navigate digital interface, combined with smart programmable features, makes it user-friendly even for beginners. And for inspiration or guidance, the Instant Brands Connect app offers access to over 100 curated recipes that are tailored to the Omni Plus. In short, the Instant Pot Omni Plus is more than a toaster oven, it's a multifunctional culinary powerhouse packed into a compact, stylish unit. Its combination of power, performance, and intelligent design makes it an essential tool for modern home cooks looking to do more with less space and effort. Whether you're air frying, baking, or broiling, the Omni Plus helps you achieve delicious, professional quality results every time.